and export the WAV file, and then that's what you hear on YouTube. The final version is good, so let's hear to the master version. Okay, so today we are going to talk about how to approach making punk rock songs. And you can listen to this song on June 30th, and today is when I'm recording this. Today is June 26th, so whatever. As you can see, this is a full project. This project will export the demo, and another one will process the demo to the master one. So we should start from scratch, right? So let's start from this as well. Okay, let's turn that off. Nice, a new project. The first thing we do is write some lyrics. Yeah, so you can see our lyrics here. It's really simple. So the next thing is I'll need a chord progression. Do you know what progression is? Basically, they are one chord to another chord. Okay, let's see. So when I was making this song, the approach was like this. I play my guitar. Here, we get a power chord progression, and the whole song is basically built on the power chord. We can hear it here. We turn off all amps and all the effects. Oh, sorry. In the very beginning, I just randomly played 3 chords, and I remember it was B flat, E, and G. Okay, let's see. As you can see, it's E, B flat, G, and E. And our verse and our chorus basically are all the same thing, but it's just rearranged. Rearrange the chords. In this section, E, G, B flat, E, G, B flat, and let's just repeat this over and over again. And you might point out that my sound is very bad, so I don't have any, so I can't really say anything to you. Maybe you are right. Okay, so let's keep going. And then this is our part 2. We are gonna add the bass. Let's add the bass track. You can see our bass MIDI here. And here the bass is just the same thing as the guitar chords, and I just keep copying and pasting. Copy and paste just like that, let's just go along with our guitar. Okay, so let's hear the bass. I added distortion to our bass. You can see this is for punk rock. And I use it with MIDI, so we don't need to hear the original sound. Just listen to our distorted bass. And the guitar track in. Okay, my computer is running a bit slow. Let's turn some plugins off. And you can hear a little background noise. This glitch noise is because my CPU is just overloaded. It can't afford such heavy computation. Too many plugins, too many plugins, so like my computer can't handle it. Okay, so the next one is drums. We are gonna add drums. You can hear I've just did the EQ and some reverb. You can see our plugins here. There are lots of plugins. Let me drink some water. So basically, if you have the chord progression, you can easily add the bass and add the drums. Just like that, see? And I turn off some plugins to avoid lagging. How do I make the drums? It's easy. First of all, turn on what you used. Okay, so just like this. And see the play style. Oh no, sorry, it's the groove. Here are so many grooves. So you can just pick what you like, just like rock, metal, Latin, or blues. And just listen to what I played and just copy it. Yeah, I know I don't have any creative, yes, I admit it. I don't even make music. I just find a preset and copy them. I mean, sometimes I feel like I'm more like an engineer, not a musician. Whatever, now we have the bass, drums, and guitars. So the next one is our vocals. The vocals, yes, I sang it myself. They scream bright lights, same word, different eyes. Internet stay. It sounds a little dry, so let's add all the parts. Oh, and the solo is the last part. Yes, until now I didn't write a solo. As you see, the chorus 1 and the verse 2, the melody between them was very empty, so I added a solo to it. It sounds like this. Okay, basically our song is done. So our next step is mixing. Before mixing, let's recall what we have done. First of all, we made the lyrics. Yeah, lyrics, yes. Writing the lyrics. And that's the hard part for me because sometimes I don't know what to sing. Then the second one is making a chord progression. It's basically up to your music, just like punk, rock, funk, or jazz or blues. Then the next step, we have chord progression, so we write the bass to go along with our chord progression. And if you are thinking why my BPM looks weird, actually, it's because when I first recorded this, I recorded my guitar. Yes, I just played it straight through, all the way through, from intro to chorus 1. And my play isn't perfect, so when I finish it is to see how the tempo mapping is just like this. Okay, so our next step is mixing. I don't want to go deep into mixing because if you don't have pretty good monitors or headphones, if you just use your phone speakers, you can't understand what I'm talking about. So let's just skip this part. Okay, finish mixing. Let's turn it off. See, internet is dead master project. And the master, I always use 2 or 3 tracks to master the overall song. Just like you can see, the different equalizer. And export the WAV file, and then that's what you hear on YouTube. The final version is good, so let's hear to the master version. And the no Vix version. Okay, so today's video is about how to make songs from scratch. And in 2026, making music isn't so hard. But finding topics and writing lyrics for it is pretty hard for me. Because sometimes I don't know what to say or what to sing. You can even find a song about crypto. Yeah, I have a song about cryptos. That's hilarious. I'm a gambler. I love stocks and crypto and whatever. And I will upload all of these MIDI files and my WAV files to my Patreon or YouTube or whatever. And it will not include my voice WAV files. Yeah, my voice won't include. Just drum MIDI, bass MIDI, and my guitar plays. And maybe tabs. If I have tabs. They are just 3 chords, so I don't think we need tabs. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.